Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find and offload unused apps in iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, we need to see which apps are using the most space and haven't been used in a while. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your storage, including how much space is used by apps, photos, and more. You will also get a recommendation to offload unused apps. We will come back to that later. Scroll down to see a list of all your apps, arranged by the amount of storage they are taking up. You will also see when each app was last used. This is super helpful for finding apps that you haven't opened in a while. Now, if you find an app you haven't used in months, you can easily offload it to save space. To offload an app manually, tap on the app you want to offload. In the next screen, tap Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload App again. This will free up the storage the app was using. But do not worry, the app icon will stay on your home screen, and all its data will still be saved. You can reinstall the app at any time by tapping on the icon, and it will be right where you left off. If you want your iPhone to automatically offload apps that you don't use, here's how you can set that app. Go back to the iPhone storage screen or head to Settings, App Store. Scroll down to find the options that says Offload Unused Apps. Toggle this switch on. Once you turn this on, your iPhone will automatically offload apps that haven't been used in a while, but it will keep all your data safe for when you reinstall them. Now, if you ever need to use an app that's been offloaded, it is super simple to get it back. Just find the app icon on your home screen. It will have a little download icon next to it. Tap on the app, and your iPhone will automatically reinstall it with all your data intact. That is everything you need to know about how to find and offload unused app in iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.